Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show everyone today the March BeautyFix by Derm Store subscription box that arrived yesterday. Today's Friday the 19th, so I'm going to go ahead and open this and we'll see what we have. I have to say, with each subscription box, the boxes are getting smaller, but they are mostly samples. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and we'll see what we have. So far, I've been liking the products, and let's take a look. All right, so here we go. Again, there's not much of the very first time I got my box, there was a card in here that said what was in here, but it doesn't look like they're doing that. Yeah, it doesn't look like they're doing that. But it does have here, we're here for the Unabashed Love of Skin, BeautyFix by Derm Store. And it does come in a nice sturdy box. So this is the way it's mailed. It has these in here. So let's go ahead and take a look. So the first product is a Purifying Mask. It's from PCA Skin. And it says net weight 0.25 ounces, and I do have pulled up here on my other phone what the retail value is. So for this purifying mask, the retail value for a 2-ounce product would be $62. So this is 0.25, and again, it's a sample. So let's take a look. Okay, it is closed, but I'll give that one a try. And let's see what else we have. So this is from Tula Skincare Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. This is 0.24 fluid ounce. Probiotics and superfoods. And this, let's see, this for a 1 fluid ounce would retail for $34. Let me see. Okay, so it's a little pump here. I might go ahead and put this in a giveaway. I'm going to be doing a giveaway pretty soon. I use a mask at work, so I don't know that I really need a blurring and moisturizing primer. So I'll put that as part of a giveaway. Let's see what else we have. This says RMS Beauty Lip to Cheek, and it says 4.82 grams or 0.17 ounces. And I think this is, you can use it on your lips and cheeks. And the color varies depending on the subscription box. So this is, I believe this is a full size, and it retails for $36. So this is the price of the box, actually a little bit more. The box, if you get it on a subscription, is about $24 and change a month. And probably with taxes, I think it's like 26 and change. Oh, there's also, not sure what this is. It says an Illuminator. It says application, highlight, cheekbone, bridge of nose, inner corners of eyes. So maybe it's just a little applicator. So let's take a look and see what color. It's called Modest. And again, you can use it on your lips or cheeks, or cheeks. Okay. So it looks like that. It is a pretty color. I think I will use this. It's very light. So yeah, I do like that. So I'll go ahead and I'll keep this. And let's see what else we have. Maybe I'll leave that open like that. Okay, here's a nice size product. It's a facial cleanser. It's from Skin Medica, and I know I've received other products from Skin Medica from the Derm Store, and I do like it. So it's a cleanser, and let's see if it has here. So the full size would be 6 fluid ounces, and it would retail for $38. So this is 1 fluid ounce. Let's see again if it's open or not. So it is. It looks clear. going to close that up because I think I have quite a few facial cleansers. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway as well. So I hope if you receive it that you like it. And let's see, there's one last item. So here's a nice size. It's called Clarity Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. Instantly boost hydration. And this, let's see. So the full size would be 1 fluid ounce. So this is a full size. It's 1 fluid ounce here. And it retails for $72. So it's very dry out here in Arizona, so I'm hoping this helps to keep my skin hydrated. So I will definitely be using this. So again, I think that's about it. So in this month, March box, we received this Clarity Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum, and this is the full size, 1 fluid ounce. Again, it retails for $72, just this bottle here. Also received this Purifying Mask from PCA Skin. And you know what, did I look at this? I think I may go ahead and put this in a giveaway as well. I have several masks, and I have what I received from Sinu from I think it was called Rain Organica, and I really liked the mask that came in there. It's like a scrub mask. So I'll put this in a giveaway as well. And then I received this from RMS Beauty, the Lip to Cheek. And I do like this color. It's called Modest. And I think this is just one of the applicators. And then this Tula Skincare Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. So this, again, the full size would retail for $34. This is a sample, and this, again, I am putting in a giveaway pretty soon, as well as this facial cleanser. Again, there wasn't a little stopper on here, but I'm not going to use it. I have several, so this will also go in a giveaway. It's 1 fluid ounce from Skin Medica, and I do like their products. So these 3 will go in a giveaway sometime soon, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe for upcoming videos. And then these 2 I'm going to go ahead and keep. So overall, just this, I'm looking forward to using it, especially if it is a hydrating serum. And this too, especially with spring and summer coming up, just having something light on your cheeks and lips will be nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. And again, hope you subscribe for upcoming videos. I'm going to be doing some tutorials pretty soon. I've just been busy with work. And just stay tuned for my giveaway where I have these 3 products, and I think there was another couple of products from my other subscription box. So hope everyone's staying safe and well and having a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.